Here's a surprising fact. You can lose weight without stepping foot in a gym or revolving your life around exercise. Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to a journey of discovery, a journey that defies the conventional wisdom of weight loss and exercise. You see, the traditional narrative of weight loss has always been tied to vigorous workouts and sweaty gym sessions. But what if we told you that there's another way? A path less trodden, but equally effective. And here's another revelation. The types of foods we eat can significantly affect our hormones, which in turn can influence how our body loses or gains weight. Studies show that foods rich in refined carbohydrates like white bread and pasta can spike our insulin levels, leading our body to store more fat. On the contrary, a diet high in protein and fiber can help regulate our hormones, promoting weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. This video is all about exploring these lesser-known weight loss methods that don't involve traditional exercise or heavy sweating. We're going to delve into the science of weight loss, dietary changes, alternative physical activities, lifestyle adjustments, and overcoming challenges, all without the need for a gym membership or suffering through the monotony of running on a treadmill. Today we're not just talking about what to eat, but when and how to eat, focusing on the hormonal impact of our dietary choices. So, are you ready to learn how to shed those extra pounds without revolving your life around grueling workouts? Let's make a start. First things first, let's understand how weight loss works. To put it simply, it's partly a game of numbers. The principle behind weight loss is relatively straightforward. It occurs when the energy you're burning exceeds the energy you're consuming. Think of it this way: every morsel of food you eat and every sip of drink you take contains energy, measured in units called calories. Your body, in its infinite wisdom, uses these calories to power everything you do, from blinking your eyes to running a marathon. Now, when you consume more calories than your body needs, the excess gets stored as fat. This is a survival mechanism, a throwback to the days when our ancestors didn't know where their next meal was coming from. But in today's world of abundant food, it often leads to weight gain. But what happens if you flip the script? What if you consume fewer calories than your body needs? Well, your body still needs energy. So it starts to burn the stored fat to make up for the shortfall, and voila, you start to lose weight. Now, you might be wondering, can't I just burn off the extra calories by exercising? Well, yes, you can. But here's something you might find surprising. Diet plays a far more significant role in weight loss than exercise. You see, it takes a lot of physical activity to burn a substantial amount of calories. For instance, to burn off the calories from a single chocolate bar, you'd need to walk for about an hour or more. It's much easier and more effective to simply not consume those calories in the first place. So while exercise has many health benefits and can help with weight maintenance and muscle tone, the bulk of your weight loss efforts should focus on what you eat and drink. It's clear then, isn't it? Weight loss isn't just about the treadmill, it's about the kitchen too. Did you know that what we eat can affect our hormones and how we gain and lose weight? Food doesn't just provide us with energy, it can also affect our hormones, particularly insulin, which plays a significant role in weight management. Let's start with insulin. This hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels in our body. When we consume foods high in sugar or simple carbohydrates, our blood sugar levels spike, causing our body to produce more insulin. This excess insulin prompts our body to store fat, leading to weight gain. This is why low-carb diets or similar eating plans can be effective for some people. By reducing the intake of simple carbs, these diets help to control insulin levels, which in turn can make it easier for the body to burn stored fat for energy. But it's not just about insulin. There's a whole host of other hormones that can influence our weight, like ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger and fullness. Eating a balanced diet can help keep these hormones in check, making it easier to manage your appetite and maintain a healthy weight. So, it's not just about calories in and out, but also about what kind of calories we consume. The type of food we eat can influence our hormones, which in turn can affect how our body stores and burns fat. By understanding this, we can make more informed dietary choices to support our weight loss goals. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into specific dietary changes you can make to aid your weight loss journey. So, what dietary changes can help us lose weight? Well, the first step toward a healthier lifestyle is to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. These foods are nutrient-dense, meaning they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals, but are generally low in calories. Imagine a plate brimming with vibrant fruits and vegetables, a modest portion of whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, and a lean piece of protein such as grilled chicken or tofu. This is the kind of meal that can set you on the path to weight loss without leaving you feeling deprived. Next, let's talk about portion control. It's not just what you eat, but how much of it you eat that matters. In many cases, our idea of a normal portion size is significantly larger than what we actually need. You can start practicing portion control by serving your meals on smaller plates, which can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. It's also a good idea to measure out servings instead of eating straight from the package. Over time, you'll get a better sense of what a healthy portion looks like. Lastly, we come to mindful eating. This is the practice of slowing down and really paying attention to your food. It's about savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. When you eat mindfully, you're less likely to overeat because you're giving your body time to register that it's full. Plus, you might find that you enjoy your food more when you're not rushing through your meals. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making smarter choices. By filling your plate with nutrient-dense foods, practicing portion control, and eating mindfully, you can pave the way for sustainable weight loss and a healthier lifestyle. Exercise doesn't always mean pumping iron or running marathons. Let's redefine exercise together, shall we? It's about adding more movement into your life, in ways that bring you joy and feel less like a chore. Walking, for instance, is a simple yet effective way to burn calories without even realizing it. Imagine parking your car a bit farther from your destination, or choosing the stairs over the elevator. These small changes can significantly increase your daily physical activity. It's about seizing every opportunity to move a little more without disrupting your routine or making you feel like you're working out. Now, let's talk about some gentle forms of exercise that don't feel like traditional workouts. Have you considered yoga or tai chi? They're low-impact activities that enhance flexibility and balance, while also helping to reduce stress. Yoga, with its various postures and breathing exercises, can also aid digestion and metabolism. Tai Chi, often described as meditation in motion, can improve your strength and stamina, and even boost your mood. And who says that exercise can't be fun? Let's think outside the box. Dancing, for instance, is an excellent way to get your heart rate up and burn calories, all while having a blast. Gardening is another activity that can help you stay active, and it's also a great stress reliever. It involves a lot of bending, lifting and stretching, which are all forms of physical activity. And let's not forget playing with pets or kids. It's not only good for your body, but also for your soul. So you see, there are countless ways to incorporate more physical activity into your daily life. You don't have to hit the gym or run a marathon to stay active. Instead, find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. The goal is not to exercise in the traditional sense, but to live a more active lifestyle. The goal is to move more and enjoy it too. Weight loss isn't just about what you eat or how you move, it's about your overall lifestyle. Our lifestyle choices play a significant role in our weight loss journey. Let's delve into how we can make some adjustments to our daily routines to aid us in this process. Firstly, let's talk about sleep. Yes, you heard it right, sleep. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. When we have a good night's sleep, our bodies function better. It's during sleep that our bodies repair themselves. Our metabolism works better, and we feel more energized throughout the day. A lack of sleep, on the other hand, can lead to increased hunger and cravings, making it harder to stick to a healthy diet. So, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Next, let's discuss stress. We live in a fast-paced world where stress is almost inevitable. But did you know high stress levels can lead to overeating or eating unhealthy foods? That's where stress management techniques come into play. Meditation is a fantastic tool for managing stress. It helps us to stay present, calm our minds, and reduce anxiety. Just a few minutes of meditation each day can make a significant difference. Engaging in hobbies or activities that you enjoy can also be a great stress buster. Whether it's painting, gardening, reading, or even just taking a leisurely walk in the park, these activities can help take your mind off stress and prevent stress eating. Lastly, it's important to remember that consistency is key. You don't have to be perfect. It's not about never having a slice of cake again or meditating for hours each day. It's about making small, consistent changes to your lifestyle, eating a little healthier each day, moving a bit more, getting better sleep, managing stress. These are the building blocks of a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Some days will be harder than others, and that's okay. It's about getting back on track and continuing to make those small, consistent changes. The key is balance and consistency, not perfection. Another lifestyle change that can aid weight loss is fasting, specifically intermittent fasting. It's not about starving yourself, but rather controlling the window of time during which you eat. Intermittent fasting means you eat within a specific time frame and fast for the rest of the day. It's a practice that dates back centuries and is known for its potential health benefits. The benefits of intermittent fasting extend beyond just weight loss. It helps to improve metabolism, reduces calorie intake, and can lead to weight loss over time. It's also been linked to improved brain health and longevity. But remember, it's not a quick fix. Like any other lifestyle change, it requires consistency and discipline. There are various methods of intermittent fasting. One common method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Another is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and reduce your calorie intake for 2 days. It's about finding a schedule that works best for you and your lifestyle. But remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. It's also crucial to maintain a balanced diet during your eating window. Fasting is not an excuse to eat unhealthy food. It's a tool to help control when you eat. Before starting any new diet regimen, especially one that involves fasting, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. This ensures it's a safe and suitable option for you. It's not about drastic changes, but sustainable ones. So as you continue on your weight loss journey, consider if intermittent fasting could be a useful tool for you. Every expedition encounters some rough patches, and the voyage towards weight loss is certainly not an anomaly. Hurdles such as cravings and plateaus are quite the norm in this journey, but don't let your spirits wane. When the pangs of craving hit, consider satiating them with a hefty glass of water or a sliced fruit. Encounter a plateau? Just a reminder, it's merely your body adapting to its new routine. All that's required is a pinch of patience and an ounce of persistence. Keeping the motivation alive can indeed be a daunting task. Here's a piece of advice. Establish attainable objectives. Initiate with baby steps and slowly but steadily escalate your goals. Revel in every achievement, regardless of its magnitude. Minor victories will keep your morale high and keep you on the right path. Remember, every stride, irrespective of its size, denotes progress. So what have we learned today? Weight loss without traditional exercise is achievable through mindful dietary changes, alternative physical activities, and lifestyle adjustments. Share your thoughts or tips in the comments. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell too, so we can send you our newest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more helpful content, and until next time, take care and be well. Bye for now.